Hey everyone, I welcome you all to this video. And today in this video, we will try to understand the difference between three important window functions. And again, as I've already told it to you, that this is basically an important interview question and it can be asked in interviews. But this time, I've already posted a video on my YouTube channel where I've taken an example to explain the difference between these three functions. But in this video, we will take yet another example, but we will also be using the partition by clause. And through those examples, we'll try to figure out that what is the difference between these three window functions. That is rank function, then we have dense rank, and then we have row number, right? So first of all, I will write a simple select statement where we will try to understand the data that we are going to use. So I will simply write select all from, but before that, I should select the database that is AdventureWorks. So I'll select it from here. And now I'll write select all from student details. So this is the table that we're going to use, Control E. And this is the data that we have. So here you can see that we have three different students. The first student being Rohit, and then we have second student Mohit, and then we have third student Nitin. And then we have different subjects, that is physics, chemistry, and mathematics, and marks in different subjects are written here, right? So now we will try to add one more column to this output, and we will try to use different functions to add that column. Like for example, we'll be using row number function, and then we'll also discuss about rank and dense rank. So first of all, I'll write select all, comma. So first of all, let's discuss about row numbers. So I can write row underscore number, a tab key. This is the function that we are going to use. And then I'll be using the over clause. And inside this over clause, I'll be using partition by. So this partition by clause will basically create a window, and based on that window, different row numbers will be assigned to each record. So we'll see that how it looks, how the output looks, but this is the way or the manner in which we can write it, right? So write the select statement. So I'll write select all, comma, row number over partition by. So let's say I want to partition it by the name column, right? I want a window to be created for name column. So I will mention that column, that is name. And then you are also required to pass a column name in the order by clause. So I'll write order by, and I want the row numbers to be assigned to different records as per the descending order of the marks column. So I can simply write order by marks, and then I can mention descending here. And I can name this column. So let's name it as, we can name it as row underscore num and from the table name. So the table name is the student details, Control C, Control V. Now, if I'll execute the select statement written in fourth line, shift up arrow key, Control E. So you can see that this is the output. So you can see that a window was created for Mohit. And for Mohit, we have different subjects, that is math, physics, and chemistry. So you can see that his marks were arranged in the descending order, that is 94, 87, and 70 in different subjects, that is math, chemistry, and physics. And row number 1 was assigned to the highest score, right? For one particular student, that is Mohit, right? Because here we have mentioned descending. Similarly, if I talk about second student, that is Nitin, so his marks were also arranged in the descending order, and a row number was assigned to each record. Here there is one thing that you should note, that even Nitin have scored same marks in two subjects, that is physics and chemistry. Still a different row number was assigned to each record, that is 1 and 2 that you can see. And then similarly to the third record, simply or this your row number 3 was assigned, right? So this is how row numbers are assigned, right? And if I talk about the third person or the third student, that is Rohit, so a window was created for this particular student as well, and his marks were also arranged in the descending order, since we have mentioned descending here. And row number 1 was assigned to the highest marks obtained by Rohit, and then like similarly arranged in the descending order, and accordingly the row numbers were assigned, as you can see on the screen. Now let's say if in place of row number function, if I mention rank function, then let's see what happens. So if I'll just simply copy this particular statement that is written in line number 4, And if I'll paste it here, line number 6, and in place of row number, let's write rank here. And we can change the name here as well, the alias that we have given. So we can simply write rank. And if I'll execute this statement, the select statement that is written in line number 6, Control E. So you can see that the ranks have been assigned in this way. Since we have used the partition by clause in these examples, so obviously a window was created for each different student name. So for Mohit, again, a window was created. And since we have used this order by marks in descending, so his marks were arranged in descending order. And then similarly, a rank was assigned. So since he had different scores in all the three subjects, so marks were simply arranged in descending order and rank 1, 2, 3 was assigned accordingly. But if I'll talk about Nitin, then here you can see that since he scored same marks in two subjects, that is physics and chemistry, and the marks are equal to 91, that's why equal rank was assigned to these two records, right? That is 1 and 1. And if I'll talk about the marks of Nitin in mathematics subject, then you can see that the rank assigned is 3. So basically rank 2 was skipped. Why? Because Nitin has scored same marks in two subjects, that is your physics and chemistry, and the marks are equal to 91. That's why for these two records, that is record number 4 and record number 5, rank assigned was equal, and it was equal to 1 basically. And rank 2 was skipped here, right? Similarly, if I talk about Rohit, then you can see that again, since we have mentioned descending here, marks in descending order, so his marks were also arranged in the descending order, and rank number 1 was assigned to the highest score, and then same rank was assigned to same scores. So Rohit has scored same marks, that is 80 marks in mathematics and physics. So rank 2 was assigned to record number 8 and record number 9. Now let's say if I'll copy this particular select statement that is written in line number 6, let's copy this, let's paste it here in line number 8, and in place of rank, if I write dense rank, dense underscore rank, let's change the name of the alias name as well. So we can simply write it as the underscore rank. And if I'll execute the select statement in line number 8, then you'll see that if I talk about Mohit, so again, since we have used the partition by clause and we have partitioned by the name column, so a different window will be created for each distinct name. And according to that, since we have mentioned the records to be ordered by, the dense rank to be assigned according to the marks arranged in the descending order. So you can see that for Mohit also the marks were arranged in the descending order and dense rank was assigned. So since Mohit has scored different marks in all the three subjects, so simply his marks were arranged in the descending order and rank 1, 2, 3 was assigned like this. But if I'll talk about Nitin, then you can see since he has scored same marks in two subjects, so again dense rank 1 was assigned to both these records, that is record number 4 and record number 5. But if I talk about record number 6, then you can see that the dense rank assigned was equal to 2. Here the rank was not skipped. But in case of rank function, the rank was skipped. Here the dense rank was not skipped, right? After 1, 2 comes, so 2 was assigned to the 6th record, right? Similarly, if I talk about Rohit, so again a window was created for him and his marks were arranged in the descending order, and the dense rank was assigned 1 to the highest record. I mean, the record with the highest score for Rohit. And then since in the two other remaining subjects, that is mathematics and physics, since he has scored same marks, that is 80, so same dense rank was assigned to record number 8 and 9. So that's the difference between these three functions, that is row number function, rank function, and dense rank function. So this was yet another example that we have covered. Here we have discussed about the partition by clause as well. But in the previous video, we just took a simple example where we didn't discuss about the partition by clause. So you can refer to that video as well. It will be helpful for you. And again, this is an important interview question and this can be asked in interviews. So you can go through this and I'm sure that this will be helpful for you. Thank you.